we're back. Get excited, get super, super, super excited. Beauty over 40, June collab. Get excited. Stay tuned for the video, everybody. Get excited. Hey everybody, get excited, get excited. This is a strong and powerful Corinne making a mark that cannot be erased, changing the world one face at a time. Guess what? Get excited, get excited, get excited, get super, super, super excited. Thank you for tuning into my page. Stay tuned for the video. Get excited. Hey everybody, we're back. Beauty over 40 collab, and we're doing our state flowers this month. And as you can see, I'm in NYC, New York City, so our state flowers are roses. Get excited, everybody. So the first thing I'm going to use this NYX. I think it's called Gotcha. I'm going to use this as a primer, this is a concealer, and I'm going to put it all over my lid. Let me use it as a primer, just to give everything something to stick to. Get everybody get excited. So I'm excited about this collaboration. Don't forget to go check out the other ladies. This is going to be fun. And now I'm going to use my favorite Flori bronzer as a transition color. I'm going to go all over in the crease area and all over the lid. Get excited, everybody. Get super excited. So this is our Beauty Over 40 collab for the month of June. Go back and check out the other months. We started back in March. So I think this is March, April, May, June. I think this is our 4th month. And it's growing. Get excited, everybody. Wow. So now I'm going to use my Boss lip gloss by Flori, and it's glossy. I mean, it's creamy, then it turns into matte. Yeah, turn matte. Get excited, everybody. Get super excited, everybody. See, I can use this like this, because I only use this on myself. I don't use this on clients. Only on myself. So I'm going to do all over the whole entire lid. Get excited, folks. So for those that have been watching me, you guys know I love glossy looks. So this is going to turn into a glossy look. Get excited. And I'm just going to blend it down, pat it down some with a brush. Up into the crease some. Get excited, everybody. Get super excited, folks. Get super excited. So I'm going to go back in with the bronzer from Flori, and I'm going to drop all the product name in the comment section so you guys can go check it out and the link for it. So I'm just going to do that in the crease area. I want to just clean up. It's very important that you clean up, folks. Clean it up, clean it up. See how soft that looks now that I cleaned it up? You see the difference? Okay, it's a big difference. So clean it up, folks. Make sure you clean it up. Get excited. Now I'm going to do a cat eye. I want this to be kind of thick. And I'm winging it out like so. Please forgive the background noise, folks. Please. Like so. Like so, like so, like so. Get excited, folks. Beauty Over 40 collab. Beauty Over 40 collab. Get excited, folks. So I'm going to do the other side as well. Like so. Just like so, everybody. Hope everyone is having a great day. Look at that. Wow. Looking different. Get excited. So now I'm going to use this red lip gloss. It's by a brand called Vbeaute. And I'm going to put that on the lid just to give it a glossy look. I like glossy look. I'm not going to use a lot, just a little. And it's red like so. I'm going to pat this a little on the lid. See the difference? Wow, 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 wow. You're not going to go in the crease. You're only going to go on the lid like that. It's a big difference. Let me get some more to put on the other side. Just a little, folks. Only a little, not a lot, okay? Only a little, not a lot. Only a little, not a lot. Only a little. Get excited, folks. Okay, I'm going to use this green liner, and I'm going to bring it in the waterline, like so. The waterline and the lid area. Make it nice and green. Like so. Like so, everybody. Looking nice. You gotta tell me what you think. Wow. I like. My New York City state flowers. Roses. Wow. 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 Listen, guys. I need you guys to click the notification button so that you guys know when my video pop up on YouTube. Okay, folks? So click the notification button so you'll know. That looks nice when my videos pop up. Get excited, everybody. Get super excited, folks. Okay, let's highlight under the eyes. Everybody know what I use by now. And this is the Ruby Kisses concealer you can get out of the beauty supply store. It's gonna highlight. This help pull back my face some. And I'm gonna blend it down, folks. Blend, 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 blend. Blend, blend, blend. Get excited, folks. Do the other side as well. And I'm mixing both colors together. It's coming together, folks. What you think? Get excited. Coming together nicely. Very nice. I'm looking in my mirror over here to make sure everything looks okay. Use my beauty blender just to even it out some. Blend, 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 folks. Get excited, everybody. Get excited about life. Get super excited about life, everybody. That's my AC you guys hearing in the back. I had to turn it back on because I was getting hot. Oh my God. So I'm going to use my favorite Queen Latifah bronzer just to lift up the face some. Like so, everybody. Get excited, everybody. Get super excited, folks. Get super excited. I put the lashes on already off camera. If you guys want to see lash tutorial, a lash video, you can scroll down my YouTube page. And I have quite a few there. Okay, folks? Get excited. Okay, folks. So I decided to add some stickers to this look. Like so. And I'm going to place one. I'm not just gonna place it here. This is how it's gonna look. Yeah, right there, like so. I'm gonna do the other side as well. Make sure I got the right ones. Okay, it's this one. So these are flower stickers to give the look a little more pizzazz, folks. Get excited. So I pressed them on like so. Then I'm gonna add the little leaf like I did the other side. All right, stick things. I'm gonna add the leaf right here like I did the other side. Wow, everybody. Wow. Wow, I'm trying to see if I have a small one. This is a leaf or a bird? Nah, that's not gonna work. Maybe under here it'll probably work. No, that's not gonna work. So I'll just leave this like it is. I was gonna try to put one underneath here. Unless I cut a piece off of this off. And put it there. I think that's what I'll do. Cut this leaf, small piece off this leaf here. Get excited, everybody. I'm being creative. I like this. This is fun. Is it gonna stick? Let me see. Look in my mirror. No, that's not gonna do. That's not gonna do. So I'm gonna leave it like this. Like so, everybody. Get excited, folks. All right, New York. All right, New York. We working it out. Hey. All right, folks. So I'm gonna do red lips with this, and this is my MAC. That's the only thing I own by MAC. The Ruby Woo, I think it's called. I want it to be bright for the pictures. So that complete my look for my Beauty Over 40 collab, June collaboration. And we're doing the states, flowers. And this is my rose look, everybody. Get excited. Get excited, get excited. This is my rose look. And this is only temporary. I'm not going outside like this. So I hope you guys like it. Tell me what you think. Don't forget to go check out the other ladies, okay? Check them out. The information is going to be in the description bar. Check out their June collaboration look, their flower look. So this is New York. Get excited, New York. Welcome to New York, everybody. Get excited. Stay tuned to next month collab. I'll see you then. Get excited, everybody. Later, folks. Later, later, later. Beauty Over 40 collab. Get excited, folks. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Comment below. And on your way out, hit the bell button for notification. Until next time, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Get excited. Get super excited.